Reporter Kathy Novak joined me all this week for a series of special reports from inside Soledad State Prison, right here on the Bay Area's #1 news station KCBS and streaming live on the Odyssey app.
You saw people you haven't seen in a while.
You went places you haven't been in a while.
And you accumulated new and different junk.
You came home and you said,
where are we going to put all this?
relax. We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
No lifting.
No carrying.
No banging and bumping.
Just a beautiful, wide open space full of happiness and sunlight.
You'll have room to roam.
To breathe again.
You've never felt so free.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
America's favorite car show returns to the Bay Area for a jam-packed weekend of hot rod and fun. It's the Good Guys 35th Racetrack West Coast Nationals, and it's all going down this weekend at the Alameda County Fairgrounds in Pleasanton. Check out over 3,500 of the country's coolest hot rods, muscle cars, and trick trucks. Plus, shop the huge swap meet and hundreds of vendor exhibits. Experience Nitro anniversary of America's iconic 1932 Ford and so much more. And it's all this weekend at the Alameda County Fairgrounds. Details at good-guys.com.
Beth Miller Rowe is the Bay Area's reverse mortgage specialist with over 35 years experience. Beth offers a variety of reverse mortgage programs such as FHA insured home equity conversion mortgage and even jumbo reverse mortgages. Whether you own your home outright or have a loan against it, a reverse mortgage may provide financial freedom to better enjoy retirement years. Reverse mortgages have changed so much in the last 10 years. Now is the time to call Beth at the Reverse Mortgage Group at 925-969-0380. Beth is located here in the Bay Area, offering free consultations in a friendly, professional, no-pressure atmosphere. Call Beth at 925-969-0380 or go to callbeth.net. Borrower must pay property taxes, insurance, and HOA dues, and live in and maintain the home. At MLS 294-774-1831-612. License under the Department of Fixed Oversight under CRMLA. Equal Housing Opportunity.
KCBS News Time, 1241. Long-standing dispute over a hotel project returns to the San Jose City Council later today. KCBS's Keith Manconi explains why the outcome is seen as pivotal for the future of the city's development plans.
The proposal is to build a 6-story hotel on a busy section of Winchester Boulevard, but it would go right next door to a whole lot of 1-story homes.
So it's right on the other side of your property, right?
Yeah.
Shahana Marika, among a group of nearby residents that have been waging a years-long campaign against the project, but it's actually already won approval under San Jose's Urban Village Strategy. That's the city's long-term revitalization plan. Today, Marika will be appealing that decision before the city council. She says she doesn't oppose the city's broad development goals, but
development can't be unbridled, right? Development cannot be at the cost of
Residents, neighborhoods, the character of the place.
the developer behind the project, though, warns that if it's rejected, the decision will discourage other developers from working in the city. In San Jose, Keith Manconi, KCBS.
Bay Area's housing needs continue to increase, but do we have enough water to sustain all that growth? Here's KCBS's Jennifer Hodges.
It'll be a challenge, but many experts say yes. Laura Feinstein is the Sustainability and Resilience Policy Director with Spur.
Using the technology that's available today and rolling that in gradually over time, we'll see big additions in efficiency over coming decades.
The state has ordered the Bay Area to plan for 441,000 new housing units in the next 8 years. John Goodwin is with the Association of Bay Area Governments.
Most of the growth that we anticipate between now and 2050 is going to be concentrated in already developed areas that take advantage of existing water supply infrastructure.
There's a perception that as we grow, we need more water.
Heather Cooley is the Director of Research at the Pacific Institute.
But the reality is that California has been very successful in decoupling water use and growth, meaning that we have continued to grow, our economy has grown, our population has grown, while using the same amount and even less water in some cases.
Jennifer Hodges, KCBS.
Coming up on KCBS, WNBA player Sue Bird breaking her own postseason record. Sports in about 90 seconds.
It's not often that something you like is actually good for you. Take sleeping on your side. Studies indicate that side sleeping can help with nighttime breathing. At European Sleepworks, they have many options to help side sleepers create the comfort and stability they need. From their unique contoured mattresses to their patented custom-fit oxygen pillows. After all, for over 50 years, they've been working on your side. And that's a good thing. European Sleepworks at Adeline and Ashby in Berkeley or online sleepworks.com.
Shouldn't you breathe clean air all day, every day? Help protect yourself with IQ Air's Health Pro Plus Air Purifier, the #1 large room air purification choice for viruses. These Swiss-made air purifiers were chosen by the Hong Kong Hospital Authority, not only for SARS-CoV-1, but also SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Using patented, industry-leading hyper-HEPA filtration, the Health Pro Plus captures particles down to 0.003 microns, the smallest that exists. Now and for a limited time only, use the promo code KCBS5 and save 5% on your Autumn or Health Pro Plus air purifier. Visit IQAir.com/US or call 888-409-6202. That's IQAir.com/US or call 888-409-6202. Help protect your loved ones and get the healthy indoor air that you deserve today.
Coming up on KCBS, we'll be looking at an update on the traffic situation that seems to be improving, according to Carolyn. Plus,
I'm Holly Swan. Police on both ends of the bay chase sideshows, blocking traffic at prominent intersections.
and before we get to all that, sports time, the A's drawing their second lowest home crowd of the year during last night's game with the Marlins, and on top of that, they lost 3-0. Roughly 2,600 fans attended the game. We'll see if that number improves a little bit later. Both teams getting together later today, and they'll play again tomorrow. With more now, here's Victor Zaragoza.
Seattle Storm point guard Sue Bird, at the young age of 41, became the oldest player in WNBA history to record a playoff double-double with 18 points and 10 assists in this weekend's 97-84 victory to sweep the Washington Mystics. Bird already held the record as the oldest WNBA player with a double-double in the postseason, having done so at 39 during the Storm's 2020 WNBA Finals win over the Las Vegas Aces. Now, according to StatHit.com, just 3 NBA players have had a playoff double-double in their 40s. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, the only player to do it at an older age than Bird. Also, Karl Malone and John Stockton. Now, with the win, the Storm advanced